Hey, it's Jason. How's everyone doing today? Boy, is it windy here. I'm right next door to the House of Refuge on South Hutchinson Island, Martin County on the Treasure Coast. And boy, I just came back from Santa Lucia Beach. The waves were so high, I can't believe it. Made me to Gilbert's House of Refuge. The House of Refuge is on 301 Southeast MacArthur Boulevard, 1 mile south of Northeast Plantation Road, on the left when traveling southbound. The House of Refuge is the oldest structure in Martin County. It is designated as a safe haven for shipwrecked sailors and other boaters who are traveling along the sparsely populated Atlantic coastline of Florida. Offshore, there's an Italian iron ship called the Georges Valentine. This was built in 1869 in Liverpool, England. It is shipwrecked offshore during a storm October 16, 1904. It was bound from Pensacola, Florida to Buenos Aires, Argentina with a load of lumber. 5 members of her 12-man crew drowned, but the rest fell in shelter at Gilbert's Bar House of Refuge. In 1976, the U.S. Life-Saving Service constructed 10 houses of refuge, or life-saving stations, along the Florida's Atlantic coast. These houses were staffed by keepers who with their families provided to find, rescue, and minister to those who fell victim to Florida's treacherous reefs and shoals. Prior to construction of these houses, many shipwreck victims made it to this isolated shore and then perished of starvation and thirst. As part of their duties, the keeper and his family would walk along the shore as far as possible in search of shipwrecked victims. In 1915, the U.S. Life-Saving Service merged with the U.S. Revenue Cutter Service to form the U.S. Coast Guard. And then the House of Refuge became the U.S. Coast Guard, station number 207. The keeper at the time was Axel Johansson and his wife Kate, and 4 other men who were stationed at the house. In 1942, German U-boats torpedoed freighters along the Treasure Coast. A lookout tower was added. In 1945, the U.S. government decommissioned the House of Refuge, and it sat empty until 1953, until Martin County bought the house and 16-acre grounds for $168. In 1955, it was turned into a museum. Instead of rescuing shipwreck victims, it is now helping sea turtles. The House of Refuge is itself a survivor. It is the only one of 10 original houses that remain on the Florida coast. I learned many shipwreck victims who made it to the isolated shore soon perished of starvation and thirst. I can see why. At this location would be so far from fresh water and from anyone that could help you. You're miles from the mainland. You would be lost and in big trouble. Well, I think I'm going to end the video right here. I just want to thank everybody for watching. Hope you have a great day. I'll see you next time. Okay, thanks.